So I'm now with Roland Zimmer. He's the president of the Zimmer Austria Incorporated. He's also the honorary consul, Austrian honorary consul for North and South Carolina. Roland Zimmer, can you tell us a little bit about your company first?
Yes, thank you, Michael. So Zimmer Austria is in Spartanburg, South Carolina since the late 60s already. Started to sell textile printing machinery to the United States. The office that you visited the other day was built in 1970. 1980s was the time of a real boom in textile printing machinery here in America. In the 90s and in early 2000s, the commodity textiles moved away from America, just much like in Europe. Commodity would be apparel, home textiles, sheeting, etc. What is very strong today is the technical textiles. We're talking about automotive textiles, in airplanes. There's a lot of textile in the non-woven industry. This is the kind of machinery that we are selling today to this market.
So you're based in Spartanburg. Now we're in beautiful Charleston, South Carolina. You've been here for a couple of decades. How have the Carolinas developed? What has happened here?
So the Carolinas was really at the beginning, at that time I was just speaking of a textile-based industry. It has changed quite well with the change of the industry, moving textiles out and moving into the mobility industry. We have very reputable companies with large facilities and production in South Carolina. BMW, of course, is in Spartanburg. We have Mercedes, Volvo in Charleston here, very near to Charleston. And then, of course, we have Boeing producing the Dreamliner 787 also here in Charleston.
And if you had one advice to new Austrian companies that want to come to the Carolinas or that want to come to the US in general, what would you tell them?
So I would say the preparation is very, very important. Do the research. Carolinas, both of them have very strong recruiting and economic development organizations that will be very helpful for any Austrian company that has the idea to come over here to help. Get some good local legal advice. The law is different. The way of doing business is different here in America. So the more you prepare yourself, the better you will be.
Thank you very much, Roland. Thank you.
You're welcome.